Do you want to start trading on PU Prime but not sure how to deposit funds? In this video, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to deposit money into your PU Prime account step by step with no mistake. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you will be able to fund your account in just a few minutes. I will also share a few pro tips to help you avoid delays and make sure your deposit reflects quickly. So let's dive in. Step 1 is logging into your PU Prime dashboard. Immediately you access your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is you locate fund, as you can see here. So once you've located it, just click on it. Okay, after clicking on it, it loads. Then you come to this particular place where you see amount. Okay, you click on it, then you impute the amount you want to deposit. So let's say, for instance, you're depositing $100. Okay, so here you need to type $10,000 because this is a cent. You need to type 10,000 because this is a cent account. Immediately after typing that, click on continue. Okay, so immediately this page open, locate local bank transfer, which is here. Okay, click on it. So once you click on it, the next thing you need to do, locate the instant bank transfer. That is Nigeria instant bank transfer. You click on it, then you click on continue. So after it loads, the next thing you need to do is you look down, you will see your 10,000 USC, which is your US cents. Then all you need to do is you click on pay. So here now you can see it's showing you the exact amount it is in Naira, which is about 147,800. So you click on pay. Okay, so once you click on pay, it will bring you to this interface. So you have approximately 1 hour to make your payment. Okay, so all you need to do is just scroll down. Here you will see the payment name, which is Bitfollow Payment. Then you will see the account number, and then you will see the bank, which is VFD, and this is your um amount which you will need to pay. So all you need to do, go straight to your bank app, open your bank app, copy this information, the account number, the bank name, and make sure that the account number and the bank name reflect the account name. Okay, so once the account name reflects on the bank, go ahead and impute this amount, make your payment. After making your payment, come back to this page and click on return to merchant. Just wait within 1 to 2 minutes, refresh your account, you'll see that your money is already in your account. That is how fast this can be. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.